everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2015 Mercedes Benz E350. Usually works with ML350s or C350s. So basically like all the 350s, like the V6s. Like for example, if your engine bay looks something like this, we already took off the oil cap, but that's pretty much it. If your engine looks like that, it's same oil change. It'll work for all of them. So universal. Safeties first. Like I said, jack stands. We have the jack still on just for safety precautions. Don't mind the car. It's a little bit dirty, but a little. We'll get back to that. Okay, so the tools that we'll be needing today is we need an 8mm wrench for like the undercarriage, or socket I should say, and a 13. That's pretty much it. If you want to break a bar, that's up to you. If the mechanic over tighten it, usually it should be hand tight. And to get the oil off, I like to use the clamps. It says the oil filter, instead of the clamps, I got this from AutoZone. It's a cap. It kind of works a little bit good. Let me actually show you. Here's the oil filter. You know, the clamps will be a little bit more difficult, but as you can see, this fits kind of snug. Maybe I should just use the clamp. Psych. I'm nice with it. Oh, you're nice. I am. Watch, ready? Just let the oil drain now. So right here is the front of the car. We're working back. Just think of it symmetrical. So you have 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one's there, back there. You gotta remove all of these 3 so you can get underneath it, and then we can get to the drain plug. Okay, so back to the front of the car. You go back right here. It's hard to see. Let's see if I can get in there more. That right there, that's the drain plug. It's even marked too, so whoever did a good job. You just need your 13. Make sure it fits in there nicely. Like that, and then you just crack it loose. Hopefully I can get a good video angle. It doesn't stop. Okay, it's about to stop right now. Ding! I'm nice with it, dog. Look at that. Let me see if I can get the camera. Look at that. No oil on my hand, except for the look. I'm dead ass. Cap. What is this? Where's the cap? Right well, here. Obviously that's from it dripping on me, but you guys say got the old crush washer, and it wants to come out.
2 hours later.
Like that, you see? Gotta make sure there's none of that. You just put the new one straight in. The little drippity drip drips, but it'd be alright. You could go to like the specs to see how you want to torque it, but I just say hand tight is always the best way to go. And when I'm in hand tight with this right here, not with your actual hands. So now we put the favorite part, the undercarriage. All right, grab the oil filter. I tend to keep it above here, just in case. The part number from Mahali. That's pretty much it. So you put this one in, just make sure you hear the click. That's how you know it's in. You can do a little pull test. Take out the rubber gasket, replace it with the new one that comes in it, and Ziz is going to be doing that because I hate taking these out. So Ziz, what's your trick?
Pretty much just get a flathead under there, pry it open, and get a good grip and pull it out.
Pull out game strong. I don't know how he does it. Literally, you know, with the old oil, just get it, yeah, lubricate. You could do it with the new oil, whatever. Just this one's more accessible for me right now. Just put it straight back onto this bad boy. That's why I don't understand why people go crazy about like, oh, I didn't get no oil on my hand. I mean, either way, you're gonna get oil. It's a damn oil change. Ta-da! Then just make sure around the area is clean. And this is also hand tight. Let me hand tight with this and with that. We use 0W40. Mobile One, I really want you to sponsor me. I always use your products. Always use your products. I like for my BMW, it recommends Castrol. But guess what I use? Yeah, Mobile. Oh mobile one.
Oh.
I'm nice with it. And then I'm not nice with this.
Oh, hold on.
Hold on.
Let me show you guys a cool trick.
The flash. So that's your trick. Just make sure there's no water in the bottle.
Yep.
You just go to town. And how many quarts does this quart take?
6.9.
Yeah, that's a big boy. And then, camera's a little bit oily, but you get the point. Just tighten it up. Clean your work area. Before we put the cover on, we're just gonna make sure there's no leakage. So I mean, I already put the undercarriage on because I marked it and I followed the mark, but I always like to double check with the oil filter. There's no leakage. No, that's just like the old oil. Give it a rev. Very good. Oh, camera blur. Alright, how do you clear the code?
So you click the start stop button once.
Alright.
Then you find the miles. Well, like when you find the miles, click the call button and then OK right after. Click them both together. Hold them down for like 5 seconds. Then this will pop up. Then you go to Assist Plus, full service, confirm full service.
I mean, you do all that with this?
Yep. Carry out full service, yes. Cannot be undone, confirm. And you're good. That's it.
Ta-da. Last but not least, just recycle your oil. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I tend to recycle my oil at AutoZone, but wherever you feel like it's necessary. Thank you, everybody. Did it overfill? No, we good. Thank you, everybody. Like, comment,